Hey guys, so as promised, I am leaving behind some extra credit for all of you to do, and it's actually really fun and really easy, so everybody should be able to do this extra credit. What I want you guys to do is participate in this Read Across America challenge. We're doing a high school digital scavenger hunt, and the instructions are all on this page, which I have posted for you. Go ahead and open it up, look through it. Basically, what I want you guys to do is go through this list of scavenger hunt items and just, have fun with it. For every single one of these that you do, I will give you 5 points. Okay? Now, if you also submit all of your pictures to your Instagram or Twitter account. I don't have Facebook, so I can't help you with that one. But Twitter or Instagram, you do hashtag VV Reads. Make sure you tag our school, Val Verde High School, and you tag my school, or I'm sorry, not my school, but my teacher Instagram. And my handles can be found in the back of my class by my desk. Then I will give you 10 extra credit points for just in general, altogether. But every single one of these that you do for the extra credit must be posted on your Instagram page. If you're posting it on social media, please make sure that you're not posting it until Friday between 8 to 3. Otherwise, I don't know. It's just, I'm trying to have us win this whole thing, so there's no reason to post it before that or after that. But anyways, you can start posting these on my Padlet, and that's how I'm going to know whether you did the extra credit or not, and whether you are going to get points from me. So what I have done is I created this Padlet, and I will post the link for it on Google Classroom as well. And then I will post this QR code, which you can access through your Snapchat. So if you're trying to post pictures that you have taken on your phone, you can access that link on Snapchat, and you can just post whatever you have right onto here. If you don't post it on here, then I am not going to give you credit for your extra credit Read Across America pictures. So I will say that again. If you do not post your pictures on here, I will not give you credit. I will not give you extra credit. I don't care if you show them to me on your phone, or you email them to me, or you post them on Classroom. I'm not going to give you credit unless you post them on my Padlet. How do you post? So you open up this link. It's going to look exactly like this. You're going to come down here to the bottom right hand side, and you're going to click Add Post. Whoops. Click Add Post. And then this is going to come up, and you're just going to give it a title. So let's say you did this first one, post a selfie with Dr. Seuss. You're going to say selfie with Dr. Seuss, and you don't have to write anything else, but then you can just, upload it from your Chromebook if you took the picture on your Chromebook, or if you're doing this on your phone, you can just, take a snap of it, or whatever it is that you're doing. So there's something for everything. Some of those things are short little videos, or you can draw something, whatever it is that you want to do. Okay? So then whenever you have whatever it is that you have, then you can just post it. Or actually, you just get out of it, and it just posts on its own. You can move it around, or maybe it will not let you move it around, but everything will start to just appear on here. Okay? The minute you're done with it and you get out of it, I can see it. Okay? Again, I will not give you credit for your pictures unless you post them on my Padlet. So, once again, all of the scavenger hunt items are here, and get creative. You have all day to do this, so if you need a Dr. Seuss book, maybe you can go ask Miss Scott during lunchtime. Please do not leave my class during the period. You cannot leave for any reason unless you have an emergency, but get creative with whatever is in my class without going through my stuff. Okay? So yeah, that's it. You have between today, so Thursday and Friday, to post them on my Padlet, and then if you want those 10 extra credit points, post them onto your Instagram account, tag all of these things, tag myself so I can actually see it, and then do that between March 2nd, or do it on March 2nd between 8 and 3. Okay, so have fun with it. Good luck. Be creative. I'll see you guys later. Bye.